Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1959 Triumph TR3A Roadster, finished in the quintessential colors of British Racing Green, tan interior, 4-speed, 48-spoke chrome wire wheels. Fantastic car here. I just took it for a drive. As you can see, it drives just brilliantly, and it is the recipient of an older ground-up restoration, but really well sorted, really dialed in beautifully, drives great. And if you look at the undercarriage photos, you can see it was a total, complete nut and bolt frame-off restoration. Massive award winner. They just sent me 2 boxes of trophies, so we're going to show the picture of all the awards this car's won over the years, but probably about a 20-year-old restoration, still presenting absolutely crisp and beautifully, very well taken care of. But you know, total body off the frame, bare metal, never been hit, just a beautifully straight car. Great gaps. You can see here, bonnet fit for a TR3 is exceptional. Chrome work's beautiful, new windshield glass, new rubber, all new chrome work, brand new 48-spoke wheels with Michelin ZX radials. Just do a slow walk around here. Excellent paint. I haven't seen a chip yet on this car. So over the years, it's just been incredibly well taken care of since its ground-up restoration. Great door fit. Really lovely car. This car looks just as nice in person as it does in this video here. But excellent grille fit. You can just tell they started with an absolutely perfect car to restore, and ended up with a beauty here. So there's some TR3s on the market. I don't think there's any British Racing Green tans currently available, but as you can see here, just absolutely stunning #1 color scheme. Wiring's all brand new, instruments rebuilt, seats all upholstered. Top boot is in tan, and we're going to show you the weather equipment's cream. So cream top, side screens, and tonneau cover. Great trunk fit. This is a 59 3A. Have a look at the still photos. The trunk's correctly finished with the Hardura mat and the gas tank board. Have a look at the undercarriage photos on this car. But really, really lovely, expensive, beautifully restored, total ground up nut and bolt restoration on this stunner, absolute stunner of a TR3, 1959 Triumph TR3A Roadster. British Racing Green, tan interior, tan hood stick frame, cream tonneau top boot, tonneau top and matching side curtain set, 4-speed, 48-spoke chrome wire wheels, Michelin radials, excellent turnkey, sorted, well restored, beautifully restored body off the chassis restoration. And we don't think this thing's going to last long the way the TR3 market's been doing lately. It's you know, it's kind of an everybody's car now. They're really showing a lot of popularity for really good cars like this. www.kurttannermotorcars.com